It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong at magluluto naman tayo ng isang simple at masarap na dish para sa mga non-meat eaters out there. Kaya ready na ba kayo? Let's get cooking!
Simple, luto na ha.
Today we're using tilapia at gagawa tayo ng kalderetang tilapia. Pwede ba yun? Oo, pwede. So, meron akong tilapia dito at I'm just going to season it with a little bit of salt. Konting salt lang, no? Yan, to add flavor to our fish. While nagsisison ng ating fish for a while, yung gagawin natin ay piprituhin na natin yung ating patatas at carrots. So medyo uminit yung oil natin. Lalagay ko yung aking carrots, sabi nga na iba, carrots, no? And my potatoes. Yan. Patatas. And again, I'm just gonna season with a little bit of salt. Yan. Let it par fry. No, par fry meaning partially cooked. Again, the key to cooking, kahit sabihin mo, isang method lang yung ginagawa mo, kahit na paggisa, pagkulo, or whatever, the key is really mastering timing, no? Titignan mo kung ano yung mas madali maluto, ano yung mas matagal maluto. In this case, kasi isda yung gamit natin, puro siya mabilis. Kaya ngayon, yung hard vegetables natin, like potatoes and carrots, piniprito na natin siya so that when we cook it all together, malambot ang carrots, malambot yung patatas, at perfectly cook yung fish natin. So, timing is very important. Yan. And our potatoes and carrots are already cooked. So, I just put that aside. And yung ating fish, which has been sitting for a while, na with salt, is ready for frying. I just add a little bit of oil. We don't want to deep fry this, kasi lulutuin naman natin siya sa sauce. At bakit natin inaasinan? One, for flavor. Also, yung secondly, bakit inaasinan natin yung fish is para ma-draw out yung excess liquid para pag kinain natin yung fish, medyo may firmness siya. So, yung excess water galing sa fish, di ba kasi galing naman siya sa dagat, mado-draw out ng salt. Kaya tinabi ko muna siya ng konti. Para when we eat the fish, mas firm siya, mas may bite siya. And ngayon, babaliktaran ko na yung fish natin. Very easy to fry kasi non-stick yung gamit natin na pan from Masflex. Ito, medyo tail end na siya ng frying. So, gagawin ko, ilalagay ko na rin yung aking onions. No? Scatter around my onions. Lalagay ko na rin yung bawang ko. No? So, that's why, hindi tayo naglagay na sobrang daming oil. No? The oil is just enough to coat the pan sa baba. Yan. So, nagigisa na rin yung ating vegetables while we are frying. I add my potatoes and the carrots. Para sure tayo na lutong-luto siya. And now, I will add my tomato sauce. So, I'm just using around half a cup of tomato sauce. Half a cup of tomato sauce. And water. To dilute. Konting water. Just halfway sa ating fish. Para may sauce tayo kasi gusto natin ng ulam na may sauce. And season with a little bit of soy sauce. Ayan. Lalagay ko na rin yung aking red bell peppers. Ayan. And of course, to make this dish even more special, so what we will do, instead of adding liver spread, instead of adding cheese, we are going to use coconut milk. Ayan. And I add my coconut milk, di ba? Kalderetang isda sa gata. Yan. Still very satisfying. Yun ang importante when we're eating, no? And just season with a little bit of black pepper. And cover natin. Let it cook for around just 3 to 5 minutes. Look at that, medyo nag-thicken na yung ating sauce, no? At saka medyo lumabas na rin yung pula, no? Kasi nagluto na rin yung ating gata. Huwag natin kalimutan na ang acid or yung asim, nagpapasarap din ng pagkain. For in this case, kasi medyo rich yung ating sauce, because of the gata, lalagyan ko ng konting vinegar, no? Just around a tablespoon of vinegar. Just a little bit of vinegar para mag-brighten yung ating flavors. And to finish the seasoning, lalagyan ko ng patis. No? Again, I like using patis to finish my seasoning rather than salt because mas malinamnam to. Especially ito na fish, mas lalabas talaga yung roundness of flavor. I just allow that to mix. And to finish, kasi kaldereta, masarap din siya na maanghang. So, meron ako yung siling pangsigang here. I'm just gonna put it into the pan. Tatakpan ko ng konti para, alam mo, sumarap siya lalo. A konting kick really brings out the flavor. And it's done. Pe-plate natin kasi ready na tayong kumain. Yan. Remember, hindi ko masyadong hinalo-halo when I put everything in the pot. Wala na siyang halo so that hindi madurog yung ating fish because the fish is very delicate, no? And tandaan nyo guys, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple. Here it is, our kalderetang tilapia sa gata. Simple! Did you enjoy this video? Please follow and subscribe to our official pages. And of course, tag a friend as well.